This is the Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing, the first bridge in California's highway system built specifically for wildlife. 90 feet above 10 lanes of Highway 101, a 200-foot vegetated span connects the Simi Hills to the Santa Monica Mountains across Liberty Canyon. For decades, the Ventura Freeway split this corridor in two. Since 2002, over a dozen mountain lions have been killed on these roads. GPS collars showed them approaching the freeway and turning back. The Santa Monica Mountains puma population was closing in on genetic collapse. The crossing changes that. Planted with drought-tolerant native species cultivated from local specimens, lined with matte surfaces to deflect headlights and insulation to quiet the traffic, it's designed to feel like native territory to an animal. Fencing funnels them onto it naturally. No training required. It was inspired by P22, the famous mountain lion who crossed 2 freeways to survive. He died in 2022. This bridge carries his legacy forward. $92 million, largely raised from around 5,000 private donors. Built for the animals that already live here and will cross here soon. The present opening date is scheduled for December 2nd, 2026, though earlier targets have slipped due to storms and other factors.